Groom your grass and get your shrubs in shape with the Hedger Joe HJ604C Grass Shear plus Hedge Trimmer from Sun Joe. Now those post-mowing touch-ups in tight spaces can be made fast and easy with Hedger Joe's 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Power up instantly with the push of a button and start shearing or shrubbing without the inconvenience of a gas engine or cord. Hedger Joe's rechargeable battery power makes it eco-friendly and maintenance-free, so you'll never need to deal with gas, oil, costly seasonal tune-ups, or toxic hydrocarbon emissions. Hedger Joe features an interchangeable blade system that easily converts from grass shear to a hedge trimmer. Both the 4-inch grass shear blade and the 6-inch hedge trimmer blade are constructed of durable steel for long-lasting and reliable performance. Hedger Joe weighs just 2.5 pounds, so it's easy to handle and effortless to control whether you're shrubbing or shearing. It also features a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting. ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty, this dual dynamo will deliver reliable results you can see every time. So when it comes to grooming your yard and garden, go with Joe. The Hedger Joe HJ604C Cordless 2-in-1 Grass Shear plus Hedge Trimmer from Sun Joe. Get equipped.